In this video, we are going to show you the top 5 best garbage disposals in the marketplaces. We have selected them based on their quality, performance, and price. We've made a research for sufficient time to find out them. If you are trying to find out which garbage disposals is the best, here is the video for you. Stay with the video till last. After watching this video, you can simply pick the right one. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. So, let's start. Starting of our list at number 5, Moen GT33C Feed Garbage Disposal. Light collection, made for those who seldom prepare from square one and also simply want cleaning to be simple. Powerful grinding, 1900 RPM, 1/3 horsepower vortex motor provides quick, effective grinding of day-to-day food scraps and also helps reduce jamming. Easy swap, fits most current settings up, including other brands, includes pre-installed power cord. Compact layout is lightweight for very easy installation and liberates valuable room under the sink. Septic safe to utilize with appropriately sized septic systems. Decrease waste, disposals reduce waste sent to landfills, making them a green choice for your house. Here is the item number 4, InSinkErator Garbage Disposal. Reliable and easy install, Badger Collection disposers are a reputable and functional selection when the cost is the prime problem and includes a small, space-saving layout that fits existing InSinkErator hardware for a fast as well as simple install. Durable parts. This garbage disposal features our special 1/3 HP DuraDrive induction electric motor and also long-lasting galvanized steel elements to make certain a reliable work for day-to-day food scraps. America's #1 disposer brand. There is much more American-built InSinkErator waste disposal unit in US homes than all various other brand names combined. A full line of versions suggests there's one right for each need and also a budget. Faster, cleaner, smarter, from dish prep to cleanup, InSinkErator aids make it rapid and very easy to maintain your cooking area clean with our renowned home appliances, garbage disposals and instantaneous warm water dispensers. A history of advancement for the sink. We designed a waste disposal unit in 1927, and we're the globe's largest supplier of garbage disposals and instantaneous warm water dispensers for house and commercial use. The item number 3, Moen GX50C Prep Series Garbage Disposal. Prep collection, developed for those that cut, dice as well as peel off as part of standard dish prep, and also need a little bit, even more, assist with cleanup. Powerful grinding, 2600 RPM, 1/2 horsepower vortex motor gives quick, effective grinding of everyday food scraps as well as helps reduce jamming. Sound decrease, designed with SoundShield sound deadening insulation. Basic swap, fits most existing assemblies, including various other brands, consists of the pre-installed power cord. Septic safe, safe to utilize with effectively sized septic tanks. Decrease waste, disposals minimize waste sent to landfills, making them an eco-friendly choice for your residents. Number 2 in our list, InSinkErator garbage disposal. Reliable and easy install, Badger collection disposers are a trustworthy and functional choice when the price is the prime worry, as well as includes a compact, space-saving style that fits existing InSinkErator equipment for a fast and also very easy setup. Durable elements. This waste disposal unit features our unique 1/3 HP DuraDrive induction motor, as well as long-term galvanized steel elements to make sure a trustworthy grind for day-to-day food scraps. America's #1 disposer brand, there is much more American-built InSinkErator waste disposal unit in U.S. homes than all other brands combined. A complete line of designs suggests there's one right for every single requirement as well as a budget plan. Faster, cleaner, more intelligent. From meal prep to cleaning, InSinkErator assists make it rapid and very easy to maintain your cooking area clean with our iconic devices, garbage disposals and instant hot water dispensers. A history of advancement for the sink. We invented a waste disposal unit in 1927, and we're the globe's largest manufacturer of waste disposal units and instant hot water dispensers for home and industrial usage. The top one in our list, Moen GXS75C Feed Garbage Disposal. Host Series, developed for those who frequently cook for visitors and also require advanced cleanup power. Effective grinding, 2,700 RPM, March 4 horsepower Vortex electric motor offers quick, effective grinding of challenging food scraps and helps reduce jamming. Noise reduction, designed with SoundShield sound deadening insulation. Easy swap, fits most present settings up, including various other brands, includes pre-installed power cord. The portable layout is lightweight for very easy setup as well as liberates beneficial area under the sink. Septic safe, safe to use with effectively sized sewage disposal tanks. Lower waste, disposals reduce waste sent to garbage dumps, making them an environmentally friendly alternative for your residents. Built to last, 10-year minimal warranty with at-home solution assurances. Help is there when you need it. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best garbage disposals amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like, comment your valuable opinion, and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.